Hello guys, this is Masonic Storm. Today we're gonna do the repair for the hydraulic jack because this one doesn't pump up. Okay, so the problem is uh, we need to fill up some oil. Uh, there's You have to buy the this one jack oil from Amazon or AutoZone or O'Reilly. So just check the link, the description below. So what we're gonna do is we need some screwdriver, a flat screw, or yeah, screwdriver, and then we need to open the to refill the oil in here. Okay, and then fill it up. All right, you can see you can use the see. All right, so make sure it's off. Okay, there's no air on it, so make sure it's down and then tighten it up. This really quick video how to repair the alright, just like that. So there's no more oil on it, that's why it doesn't pump up. So put your jack oil, stop the leak. Alright, so put some towel underneath right for the oil, because look at it, it's empty. So try to put it now, everything, not everything, make it full. See that? It's almost empty. It's empty. That's why it doesn't pump up. Pump up. All right, it's full now. So just like that, and then put it back the cover, the screw. There's my screw right there. Clean it. So almost finish, like 1/4. That's the that's the only main problem, because sometimes you don't have enough oil on that. And then now it's ready. Okay guys, let's try it out. Alright, it's pumping now. It's going up. Alright, works well. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe for the future videos. Give me likes and thumbs up. Right?